Top 12. Black dial enhanced by luminous silver tone hands. Silver tone stainless steel case with a silver tone stainless steel band. Automatic movement, water resistance depth is 300 meters. Unidirectional rotating bezel, scratch resistant sapphire crystal watch. Top 11. Stainless steel case with a black textile bracelet. Black dial with silver tone hands and index hour markers. Minute markers around the outer rim. Swiss automatic movement. Case diameter 41 mm. Water resistant to 984 feet. Top 10. Dial window material tab sapphire crystal. Display tab analog. Clasp deployment clasp case material stainless steel. Case diameter 41 mm. Band material leather. Top 9. Atom shape round. Dial window material tab sapphire crystal. Clasp tank buckle case diameter 41 mm. Band color black. Calendar date. Water resistant depth is 50 meters. Movement quartz. Top 8. Watch with black dial featuring notice bezel. 41 mm stainless steel case. Swiss automatic movement with analog display. Stainless steel link bracelet. Water resistant to 200 meters. Band width 20 mm. Band color silver. Top 7. Black skeleton dial date feature. Chronograph feature black ceramic bezel. "50-hour power reserve, self-binding automatic movement." Vibrations per hour is 28,800. Brushed with polished black titanium. Scratch resistant sapphire crystal. Water resistance depth is 100 meters.
Perfect accuracy, the ultimate challenge, and its secret lies in the beating heart of the watch, the hairspring. To meet this challenge, TAG Heuer scientists have gone beyond the known. They have harnessed the elements to create a new carbon composite, a game-changing material built atom by atom with cellular geometry formed of hexagons measuring less than 1/1,000,000th of a millimeter. They grew this composite, refined it, and shaped it into a revolutionary new carbon hairspring. Ultralight, outstanding shock resistance, optimal thermal performance, anti-magnetic, delivering performance and precision as never before. Brought to excellence and embodied in the new Carrera Caliber Heuer 02T Tourbillon Nanograph, where this groundbreaking technology intersects with traditional watchmaking craftsmanship, matched to an aluminum balance wheel.
Top 5. Blue dial enhanced by luminous silver tone hands. Silver tone stainless steel case with a silver tone stainless steel band. Automatic movement, water resistance, depth is 100 meters. Scratch resistant sapphire crystal transparent case bag. Fold over with push button release glass, screwed on crown. Case size 43 millimeters. Band size 22 millimeters. Case diameter 43 millimeters. Case thickness 16.85 millimeters. Band material stainless steel. Band width 22 millimeters. Band color silver tone. Dial color blue. Bezel material blue. Bezel function stationary. Top 4. Case size 45 millimeters. Water resistance to 50 meters. Case steel bezel, fixed bezel. Material rubber and leather, color black. Buckle folding claws, push button, fine brushed steel. Top 3. Blue dial with Gulf Racing blue and orange stripes. Stainless steel case on blue calfskin leather strap with orange stitching and inner lining. Case diameter 39 mm. Steve McQueen special edition. Brushed sunray blue dial with blue and orange golf stripes. Index or markers, date feature. Chronograph feature 40-hour power reserve. Top 2. Touch screen dial, ultra lightweight titanium case with a white and green rubber band. Automatic movement 50 meters, water resistance. Solid case bag, fold over with safety release clasp. Fixed bezel, scratch resistant sapphire crystal watch. Solid case bag, fold over with safety release clasp. Case diameter 45 mm. Band material rubber. Band color white and green. Dial color touch screen. Bezel material fixed. Movement automatic. What a nice watch it is.
There are still depths no one has ever reached. There are still calls no one has ever answered. There are still places where no human has ever set foot. Beyond fear, beyond reason, beyond the edge.